Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a product in your Payhip store. So if you're new to Payhip and you are sort of confused about how to add products and all of that, I'm going to show you how to go about doing that in today's video. If you're looking to build a digital product business and you're struggling with it and don't want to do it yourself, I have a link in the description for Payhip Done for you. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get straight into this. So you're going to be in your dashboard and once you hit your dashboard, you just go straight to products. It's the next one after dashboard. Click on product. It is really simple, actually. One of the reasons why I like Payhip, because it's just really user friendly. There are a few little niggling things that you might struggle with if you're new, but it gets easier. Click add new product. As you can see, there's so many options. You've got digital product, course, physical product, membership, coaching service, and bundle. So those are all the options you have available. Like for example, with course, you've got so many different options available in course for you to add the different components of your course, and people can do the course from within the actual platform itself. Physical products, you can sell clothes and other physical goods. I've never sold any physical products on Payhip, so I don't know what that's like. And you've got memberships where you can lock exclusive content behind a paywall, which is something that I have found to be really effective. Videos, PDFs and stuff like that. And so people can pay like a monthly fee and have access to content that's exclusive to the people that have paid. So it's kind of similar to Patreon in a way, but I feel like it's a little bit easier to use it. The only thing with this is, though, with the videos, it's you have to sign up to pay. You have to pay a membership fee and do the paid version of Payhip before you can actually start uploading videos and stuff like that. But anyway, digital product. But the way you can get around that is by doing private videos on, say, YouTube, for example, and then you can add those links into your membership so people can go and watch them. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to upload your product file. So you would upload a file. I'm just going to upload any file in there, just so that I can make the video. So I'm going to upload that, and then you choose your title. So whatever it is, I'm just going to say abundance. Actually, that's quite a nice name for a manifestation digital product, abundance files. I might actually create it, and then you just give the price to say $20 or something, whatever you want to make it. And then this is where you upload the product image. So I'm just going to put this one because I've actually got an ebook with that image on there. And then this is where you're going to add all your sales copy and everything. You can create that yourself if you want, or you can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini to help you with like an outline of some sales copy. And this is just like a normal sort of word processor type thing where you can put, change the formatting. So you've got your bold and your italic, and then your underline, and then your bullet points and numbering, and then your quote marks and stuff there. And then you can change the formatting of the writing with these ones here. And then you can do highlight and then color, change the text color. And then you can add a link, add a video, add an image. And yeah, so you add all your sales copy here. I'm not going to put any sales copy in there. I'm just going to put something random in there. And then if you want it to be visible, you're going to click visible or invisible or unlisted. And nobody but you can, except you can see the product if it's invisible. If it's visible, everyone can see it, and if it's unlisted, only people who know the direct link to this product can see it. So you can create custom products for a specific group of people, and so only they have the link to it. So if you have a membership, then you can do that. If you also only want to create a specific product for someone specific, then you could create that, put it unlisted, and then you can share that link with the person. There's advanced options here. So it says this product has different variations, e.g. format version. This product is tax exempt. Product is an ebook. Upload a preview file for your customers, e.g. a few pages as a teaser. So you can do that if you want to give people an opportunity to see what they're going to get, and then they can purchase it after. Limit the number of times a product can be sold. Automatically subscribe customers to a mailing list. Generate unique license keys for each sale, only for software products. So I'm going to put it down as, actually I'm going to put it as visible. The reason why I'm going to put it as visible for now is because I want to add the categories and stuff as well. So this is where you can get your product link from here as well. And then you go back to products, manage products, when you click edit, as you can see here, there's something called category and tags. So you can find the category. So for this one, I'm going to say that is self-improvement and spirituality. And then you can add the tags. So you can put manifestation. I'm going to put manifestation. Guide. I'm going to put spirituality as well. I'm going to put self-improvement. You see, why this is now good is because before, Payhip didn't actually have a marketplace, and Gumroad, I preferred Gumroad over Payhip at one point because Gumroad has a marketplace, but I actually prefer Payhip to Gumroad based on aesthetics, because I feel like it looks more like a proper website. Gumroad's got some kind of clunky look to it, but at the same time, Gumroad, it's a lot easier to send out mailing list email updates through Gumroad. It's a lot more difficult to do that on Payhip in terms of the way it looks and everything, and embedding links, hyperlinks and stuff. You can't actually do it on Payhip unless you know like a little bit of HTML. So anyway, so you're going to click save changes, and that means that it's going to be in the marketplace. At some point, I'm also going to show you how you can add affiliates. So it's showing you how to add products to the marketplace, and I would recommend that you add products to the marketplace because it helps your product to become discoverable, and it's a lot easier for you to get sales through the Payhip algorithm as opposed to just sharing it yourself and hoping that your audience purchases it, or marketing it outside of the Payhip platform. If it's in the marketplace, it will be in the algorithm on Payhip. I'm going to say that it is a lot harder to sell through the algorithm on Payhip than it is through Gumroad, because I've had quite a lot of sales on Gumroad through the marketplace specifically. So, but I think Payhip is getting there when it comes to that. There's still a few improvements that need to be made, but I still like Payhip, and I'm going to always sell on Payhip. I've got my own site, I've got Gumroad as well, but I'm also still always going to sell on Payhip because I think it's important to have your products, and this is my opinion, and other people might say different. I feel like it's really important to have digital seeds planted in multiple places as opposed to just having it in one place. You are increasing the chances of gaining sales and it increases visibility and discoverability when you do plant digital seeds in multiple different fields. This is what I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, if you are someone who wants to build a digital product business but you really can't be bothered to do it yourself, I'm going to leave links in the description for my Gumroad Done for you and my Payhip Done for you as well, so you can grab those if you really don't want to do it yourself. I do have payment plans available, but I don't put them on the site. So if you are interested and you want to go down the route of a payment plan, then please do send me an email. I'll leave a link. I'll leave my email address in the description, so you can go and email me and ask me questions on how to set up a payment plan for you. Take care.